Hello crafty friend, it's Mona here. Today I have joined the Fawn Fans Spring HOP, where I am going to show you how I created this sweet lemonade card using only Fawn products. We have a generous gift certificate for one lucky winner too, but I will talk about it later in the video. For this card I am going to use the Queen's Capital ABCs die set, the quilted backdrop die, and the outside-in stitched hard stackable dies. From the stamps I will use the Oh Gnome, a Bug Deal, the Make Lemonade, the Special Delivery, Fairy Friends, the Get Well Before and Afters, the Be Happy, and the Smile from the Let's Toth, and last but not the least, the Summertime Charm stamp sets. This set is my newest find. It was released 7 years ago, and I almost squealed when I saw that it's still available on Fawn's site. I put the link in the description box in case you want to check it out. Because I am using this solid image for first time, I am prepping it with an eraser, then I am stamping it a few times with Limoncello ink pad by Catherine Pooler to my cardstock. I stamped the other images with jet black ink pad by Fawn off camera to save you a little time, and I am giving them a quick heat set with a heat gun. Now I am going to show you a really quick coloring. I know there are more steps, and I don't want to keep you so long. The process is the same for all the images. I am starting with the darkest color and continue with lighter, then finishing with the lightest. When I notice that I need to add more contrast to the images, I just repeat the process. You can find the full list of used marker colors and the clickable supply links in the description box below. Those links are affiliate links, which means when you shop through them, I got a small commission from your purchase with no extra cost of you, and it helps me to make more content like this. I am using Spectrum Noir illustrators and classics as well, because they have new lighter shades, which I needed to try. If you like this look, feel free to try it and use any type of markers you have. Just try to use similar colors like me. When I am using a darker color, then pick a darker from your stash. And when I am using a lighter one, then use a lighter one too. I want to mention that this hop has a pretty $50 value gift certificate to Only One Life Creations online store. If you are interested, comment to the videos to get a chance to win. I am asking you to share with me what is your favorite spring-themed Fawn stamp set. On the 20th of March, we will announce one randomly selected winner from all the comments. I will put it to my community page, and I will also put the name to the description box below here. Once the coloring was done, I added highlights with white pigment pen and pencil. I like to add highlights because it pops out the image more and it's kind of shiny for me. Next I run the colored images through my die cut machine off camera with the coordinating dies, and I am continuing with the die cutting a bit more. I created this beautiful pastel teal background with the mermaid cardstock and the quilted backdrop die. Then I run it again with the second largest heart-shaped die from the outside-in stitched heart stackables, which will be my guide to create the floral wreath. Next I stamped the All You Need Is sentiment from the Special Delivery set with watermark ink to a 5.5 by 4.25 piece of ballet slipper cardstock. Then I heat embossed it with white detailed embossing powder. Now I am adhering on the top of it the blue quilted background, and I can start to decorate it with the colored images. I am adhering this cute lemon to its right place with the 8 letters, what I have created with the Queen's Capitals ABCs dies using sunflower cardstock. And this is the finished lemonade card, which hopefully makes the card's recipient smile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, it always helps. And if you want to see more content from me, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!